When you are looking at keyboards, what is it that you're looking for? Most of the time, we're looking for a tactile feel and if the keyboard sounds good as well. Some of us that are gaming, I want RGB on it and different lighting as well. For those who are keyboard lovers, we want to change out keys without breaking the bank, then this might be the one for you. What's happening YouTube, it's your boy Tech TRX back in another video. Today we're looking at the Vissles keyboard. But first things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you could be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. There's also going to be a coupon code down in the description below, so go ahead and check that out so that you can get a $10 off. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Very nice unboxing. There's a little cushion as well right there, pretty nice. Good addition as well so that you can get away from carpal tunnels. A little bit on the hefty side, of course. Couple options on the keyboard, could be high profile or low profile as well. Pads right there. The keyboard is about 800 grams, so I'm pretty sure it won't move, but the pads would definitely help as well. It also comes with Vissles cleaning cloth. And it comes with literature, some instruction manual right there. Here it also comes with tools so that you can take off the keys without wrecking the keyboard. It comes with a charging cable. Keyboard can be used wired or wireless. It also comes with a few stand right there. And a few keys that you can change out if you are using Macs or Windows. So let's put this away and let's try this out. The Vissles V84 keyboard is a 75% type of keyboard where it has function keys on the top. So the keyboard is fairly small, but it packs a lot of features. The back has this pretty simple black design. It has one toggle key, which is an on and off button for Bluetooth functionality. Back of the keyboard has a USB-C slot for charging and also connecting it to your PC. The option stands can also be put on magnetically. It does move in place because it's only magnets, but once you are typing, it actually holds pretty well. Now right now the keyboard is high profile. You could also, if you want to see more of the lights, you can take off this part right here. There you go. Then that way you'll be able to see more of your keys and the lights as well. For pairing mode, all you need to do is hit the function mode or one of the keys like Q, W, E, R, T. And then it should have a light like this, meaning it's in pairing mode. The Vissles V84 also has self-developed linear switches. It has a 56 grams actuation. And it has a 2mm travel, which is total to 4mm travel with the keys on top. Kind of reminds me of the Cherry switches. These feel really good and it sounds good as well. Let's do a sound test. Now the price is 110 USD and sometimes it goes on sale to $100, which is really good. The tools provided in the box are also really nice. One of the best tools for the job, and basically just pull it off like so and you'll be able to change it really easy. This same goes with the switch tool. Really nice feel, one of the best in the field as well. Now for the price of the Vissles V85 and how much you get out of it, I think it's well worth it, especially if you want to customize it to whatever you want. Later on, you can upgrade keys, change out switches as well to whatever you want. The caps are really nice as well. I find that this is more of a professional look, but once you have the RGB on the back, it's ready to go for gaming. And one of the best features that I found here is the RGB keyboard, where you can change different colors as well, up to 19 different color schemes. You can also customize your own color scheme by installing the program. The Vissles also has 3700 milliamp hour battery, which will give you about 150 hours of keyboard time wirelessly, even with the RGB on. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope to help you on your choice on a brand new mechanical keyboard just like this one, fully customizable and also compatible for all Bluetooth devices. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I would recommend Vissles as a company because they have all sorts of customizable keyboards as well, different types of keyboard. If you want to check that out, I'll link everything below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit that like button as well, so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.